Today is Monday, May 19th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Front Grille set for my friends at Graham's Hot Rods in California, for Liz and Mike. So this is the two-piece set comprising the lower unit, which is covered up primarily by the bumper, and the upper grille unit. And these units have been completely redetailed. Okay, these are original vintage, fully detailed units. And these will be going out to my friends at Graham as soon as I get their okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Monday, May 19th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.